What do you do when you're drowning in debt and have no idea how you'll ever pay it off? You are not alone in your feelings. If you're having trouble paying off debt, there are a few options available to you. Here are some of the most effective methods for paying off your debts once and for all. Take a moment to think about all of the many sorts of debt you are carrying. Consider different types of debt, such as mortgages, auto loans, student loans, credit cards, and everything else, since the method by which you pay off debt may differ based on the sort of debt you owe. Before you begin repaying debt, take a moment to identify the type of debt you have, whether it is credit card debt, student loan debt, mortgage debt, or something else, and to calculate the amount of debt you owe each month. Understanding the types and amounts of your debts will assist you in developing a debt repayment strategy that is unique to you. Here are the 10 best tricks to pay off credit card debt fast. So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Number 10. Create, or update, your budget. If you haven't done so already, now is a good moment to start. Make a list of all of your expenses, including everything from your home payment, or rent, to your student loan payments. Keep in mind that there will be lineups for petrol and food. Then make a note of how much money you make each month. Deduct all of your expenses from your income, and any money left over can be used to pay off debt. This does not mean that your budget is set in stone. You can make changes to it whenever you see fit. If you receive a raise at work, you have the flexibility to make changes to your spending plan as you see fit. It should just serve as a point of reference to ensure that you stay on track. If you require assistance, you might make use of apps such as Mint, or you need a budget. A spreadsheet can also be used to manage a budget because it is simple and straightforward. Number 9. Cut your spending. The fact that you are not finding additional funds in your budget may indicate that changes are necessary. In the case of eating out, you might wish to reduce your weekly allowance to $50, and eat more meals at home instead of spending $80. The extra money you save can then be used to pay down your outstanding debt obligations. Look for shopping discounts and freebies to keep your spending under control. Shopper and personal finance expert Kristen McGrath says retailers' birthday freebies are typically modest. Think sample-sized beauty products and discounts, and aren't worth the time and effort. But if you sign up for several programs, you'll be able to take advantage of numerous freebies and discounts, says the author. Number 8. Review your monthly bills and subscriptions. Examine your monthly subscriptions for anything you may not require, and may not be utilizing, such as video streaming services that you may share with a friend or family member instead. Investigate whether you can combine similar services, such as vehicle and home insurance or internet and cable, or whether you can eliminate them entirely. Examine your internet, insurance, and cable bills as well. It may be necessary to call your service provider to see if there are any new discounts available that you can take advantage of to help you reduce your monthly price, and make any necessary adjustments. Number 7. Use the debt avalanche method. High interest rates are one of the main reasons debt is such an issue. If you have a lot of the same debt, such as school loans or credit cards, you might want to use the debt avalanche method to get rid of it. You'll use this to make a list of all your debts, including how much you owe, your minimum monthly payment, and the interest rates on each. Then, while making minimum payments on your other bills, you'll start paying every additional dollar you have toward the debt with the highest interest rate. You'll keep doing this until the highest interest debt is completely paid off. After you've paid off one loan, move on to the next highest interest bill and pay it down with every extra dollar you have. Continue until your school loans, or other debt, like as credit cards, are totally paid off. Number 6. Try the debt snowball method. If, on the other hand, you are more motivated by minor triumphs, the debt snowball strategy may be for you. While the debt avalanche approach prioritizes the debt with the greatest interest rate, the debt snowball method prioritizes the debt with the smallest sum first. Using the same method, you'll lay out all of your debt, but you'll direct all of your additional money toward the loan with the lowest balance while continuing to make the minimum payments on all of your other debts. Following the payment of your smallest bill, move on to your next smallest loan, and so on until all of your debt has been satisfied. Number 5. Find a balance transfer offer. If you have high-interest credit card debt, a 0% APR introductory rate on a balance transfer to a new credit card might be a good option. This strategy allows you to transfer credit card debt and pay it off without accruing additional interest. Depending on the card you use, some balance transfers have a 0% introductory rate for anywhere between 15 and 21 months. However, keep in mind that most of these deals come with a balance transfer fee of up to 6% of the amount you're transferring. You shouldn't spend any more money on the new card while you're paying off the old one, and you should pay it off before the introductory period ends. This will assist you in avoiding further debt for a longer period of time. Number 4. Sell your stuff. In the event that you are having difficulty finding additional space in your budget, it may be time to consider selling some of the items you no longer use. Take an inventory of your closet, garage, or any other storage space where you have a lot of stuff stacked away. Make a thorough investigation to determine whether any of your products will generate a profitable return. OfferUp, Declutter, or even Amazon or eBay are good places to start selling your items on the internet. Then you'll be able to dedicate all of your earnings toward paying down your debt. Number 3. Take out a personal loan and use cash windfall. It may be necessary to take on a new debt in order to pay off an old one, as long as you do it wisely. A debt consolidation loan may be an option if you have decent credit. A debt consolidation loan is when you take out a personal loan to pay off all of your outstanding debts and then make monthly payments on the personal loan until it is paid off completely. You may use Credible to evaluate some of the finest personal loan lenders to see which ones have the greatest interest rates and fees, so you can pick the ideal loan for your needs. If your manager observes that you've been crushing it at work, you may be rewarded with a bonus or increase. Perhaps you received a sizable tax refund. This is beneficial not only to your career but also to your debt. You can utilize the money from your windfall to pay down debt or use the increased monthly income to make greater payments. If you're attempting to pay off your mortgage faster, for example, extra payments can help you save money. Number 2. Consider debt consolidation. Debt consolidation allows debtors to consolidate all of their debt into a single loan with a single monthly payment, sometimes at a lower interest rate than they would otherwise pay out in interest. According to Holly Perez, a consumer money expert at Intuit and a Mint representative, debt consolidation can help people break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck of living paycheck to paycheck. Debt consolidation can help people break the cycle. Examine your cable, phone, and credit card bills for any hidden costs, or just contact your service providers and try to negotiate a better deal with them directly. Get a fixed rate on your student loans when you consolidate your debts, she explains. Use public transportation or carpool with other people. If you have any credit cards with 0% APR balance transfers, take advantage of this opportunity. Number 1. Start a side hustle. It may be difficult to pay off debt if your day job only pays you enough to make ends meet. If that's the case, look for a side job or something you can do to supplement your income when you're not working. Everyone's side business is different. Consider delivering groceries using apps like Shipt or Instacart, selling handcrafted goods on sites like Etsy, or freelancing writing, designing, or web development for clients. You can start generating money on the side in a variety of ways, and you can use that extra cash to pay down debt. While your day job will cover your basic requirements, your side hustle will allow you to make greater debt payments, allowing you to pay off your debt faster and finally be debt-free. What do you think of our list? Which thing do you like from above list? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.